going on, YouTube family? It's your boy Tony TV, and I'm back with another video. I don't know how to dance. Alright guys, I'm gonna be making some corned beef brisket for the very first time. Yes, I never made this ever in my life. Ever.
I don't believe it.
This was $25. Can y'all see that? $25. But I got it on sale.
Nice.
Y'all know I'm cheap for $9. You can't beat that. Alright, so before we get into this video, hit that like button for your boy. And please watch the whole entire video for your boy. Please. Please. Watch the whole video. It makes me happy. Please. We got some, I was about to say tomatoes. But I got some, I'm tripping. These are potatoes. I'm tripping hard.
What?
Alright, I rinsed off the meat. You want to always rinse your meat off. Okay. And I heard that you want to cook it fat side up. Okay, that's what I heard. Alright. But before we do that, I'm going to flip this back over so I can add some meat tenderizer. I hope this turns out good because I hate making nasty food.
Ha! Gay!
Some seasonal, some garlic powder. I'm gonna go ahead and kind of smash that in there.
Spicy meat. Yeah, boy.
Alright, now I'm gonna try to get the sides too. Get the sides. Get this side. Then we're gonna get the back. Put the seasoning, and a little bit of meat tenderizer, if I can get it out. Alright. Alright. Now I have some cooking stock. Beef cooking stock. We're gonna get it on the sides. Make sure it's under it. Voila. That's all I'm gonna do. Now we gotta get some of these tomatoes. I said tomatoes, potatoes cut up. Alright, we have the tomatoes. I keep saying tomatoes. What is wrong with me? Potatoes. Potatoes. I keep saying tomato. I'm losing my mind, guys. I'm losing my mind. Alright, now we're going to go with a little bit of garlic powder on the top, okay? Not much. Just a little bit. And that's it, man. Alright, they do give you a little packet. I don't know what the heck this is. When you buy the roast beef, this comes with it. It looked like bird food. It looked like bird food. I don't know what the heck that is. I mean, it looked like seasoning, it looked like rosemary. I don't know what the heck I'm looking at. I was thinking about, I was about to forget the green onions. Let's get it done. That's a hell of a presentation. Look at that. That looks really good. Alright, we're going to throw the lid on. The top, the lid, whatever you want to call it. Bam. Hold on. Bam. And we all set. I'm just going to let that cook for a couple of hours. Alright? A couple of hours, I'll be done cooking. And and for my future projects, y'all, I'm going to be watch this so soft. It shouldn't be soft. I'm going to be frying some, what is this? Plantains for y'all. I've been wanting to do that for the longest. And every time, let me show y'all. And every time I buy them, it starts to spoil. And this just pisses me off because it's 2 for $1. 2 for $1, and it goes to waste because I don't do it.
Do it! Just do it!
I got 4 here. Look at that. 4. 4. This been cooking for a couple of hours now. Let me just show y'all what it looks like. Let's check on the meat. Look at that meat.
2 hours later.
I'm finally done dinner. This is what it looks like after almost 4 hours on the slow cooker, okay? I see you in my review, my refrigeration, whatever it's called. Yes, I see you in my refrigeration. Alright guys, this is what it looks like. I never made this before, ever. And I got the vegetables. And we got the gravy, alright? I might eat this for y'all like I normally do, but depends on how it tastes. I'll probably skip it. But I will be doing the first bite for y'all like as usual, so let's see. Alright guys, here go my plate. Looking mighty, mighty good. Alright. Butter, broccoli, and everything else. Let's give this a good old taste. Alright, here we go. I got gravy on there. Let's get some butter and a potato. Alright. Here we go. Alright, hot. Not bad. Not bad at all.
Perfect.